Hi kids, in today's video we will do plus 4's formula. Okay, so where am I gonna apply plus 4 ma'am? Plus 4's formula. Wherever you will get stuck in doing plus 4, you will apply plus 4's formula. That is plus 5 minus 1 plus God minus friend. How why the friend of 4 is 1? Because see, 4 fingers open, fingers closed, friend of 4, 1. Okay. If I have 1 with me, I have to add a 4. Can I add? No. What will I do? Apply its formula. Add 5 less 1. Look again. Add God less friend. Got it? Do a big question with me. Add 2. Again add 2. Less 3. Less 1. Add 1. Add 4. Ma'am, I am stuck. Okay. Add God less friend. Add 5 less 1. Got it? Great. See you in the next video. And our plus 1 to 4 small friends ends here. Okay, next video we're going to do minus 1 to minus 4 small friends formula. Okay, I'll see you. Bye bye.